What's up, everybody? Second video of the day. I'm sorry, you guys can't tell, it's raining out. So I'm up here underneath the almost finished gazebo. Anyways, what I was saying earlier in my previous video about if you don't let something out, it finds a way. That right there, it's like I said, I've caught myself where I'm mad, or I'm not even gonna be mad, I'll just be talking to somebody who's done me completely wrong, and just catch myself. Like, whoa, this isn't me. I try to be that guy that's, polite, nice, and don't constantly jump on someone. No matter how bad they've done me or what they've said, I try to be nice about it. But there are just times that you can't do that, and you stress out so much because you haven't said what needs to be said, that it comes out one way or the other. Wind's starting to pick up. Honestly, I think that's what happened to my video yesterday, because the wind was really bad and just a lot of other things was going on. I'm gonna double check, I'm gonna make sure. But either way, if you guys in the comments, if Mary hadn't come to me and been like, hey, is there supposed to be sound with this video? I don't think I would have ever known. But, thank you. And thank all of y'all. This week, this coming week, will be, one hell of a week. But, alright guys, I'm not going to chew on you too long. I'll holler at you guys later. This is Big John, signing off.